Hi friends, you are watching me in YouTube channel from Bangalore Samuel and Special. This video is going to be all about career counseling. So as everyone know, there's no school college running in Bangalore because of this COVID, and even counseling department is not working. Past 7 years I'm working as a student counselor in a college. If a student's coming for the counseling, even parent comes, so we know the student's requirement and parents requirement, and we know even students interest. So as per students interest, we can opt the courses whatever they need from the scratch. I will explain you part by part because all the course detail cannot be explained in one video. All the students will be having doubt after 10th which course to be taken. So part 1 I'll go with 10th page. After 10th which course to be taken. I'll be using whiteboard to explain all the details. After 10th, if students have passed their 10th standard, okay, and if students have failed their 10th standard, first I'll explain the pass details, then I'll go with the fail courses. Okay, after 10th, so students will be having this many options. So first is PUC, diploma, ITI, correspondent course and animation course. So most of the students won't go for this, okay. So only rare students go for animation course or correspondent course. So first I'll explain about PUC course, because PUC, diploma, ITI, animation. So 10th, after 10th PUC is nothing but pre-university courses. In PUC we have different combination courses like science, commerce and arts. So if I take up science, there's a lot more to explain about this science courses because we have IIT, NEET, CET exams and all to be explained detailedly. First I'll take up commerce, then arts, then I'll go with the science. So PUC I have taken commerce. In commerce we have different types of combination. One is CEBA. CEBA is nothing but computer science, economics, business and accountancy. So SCBA is statistics, same follows economics, business, accountancy. And we have HEBA, history, economics, business, accounts. MEBA, basic maths, economics, business and accountancy. Student may ask, commerce is very difficult or what? But if you think commerce is lovable subject, if you enjoy and study, nothing will seems to be difficult in it. Commerce studies about trade, human activities, etc. It is also just a record of past events, but also the current trends in the business market. This was all about commerce courses and combinations. Next I'll go with the arts. I'll explain you commerce section, like after PUC which and all courses you can take, so all which covers under commerce. Many students ask this doubt. I'll just clear it here only. HEBA is not arts, it's into a commerce only. So HEBA is nothing but history, economics, business and accountancy. It's clear. HEBA is commerce combination. Next I'll go with the arts. So we have history, geography, political science, psychology, maths, philosophy, music, and we have regional language also. Here HESP, these are combinations. So HESP is nothing but he comes under economics. S is like statistics or any optional language you can take. I'll tell you again the combination. HESP is nothing but history, economic, sociology and political science. So H, wherever H is there, it is history. And we have regional language also. Like regional language is common for all three combinations: science, commerce and arts. First will be English. First language will be English. The second language you can take either Kannada, Hindi or any other language which you know. You have to select the combination offered by the college from this. Usually these subjects are offered in arts and STEAM. So last time I explained about the arts and commerce combination. So after PUC degree, which and all courses you can take is like for the commerce and arts, BCom, BBM, BCA, BA and BBA. We have still more combination to be added in this. So in next video, I'll just explain all the details. Thank you for watching my video, because I can't dump all the course detail in one video as I told in the beginning. Maybe in next part, I will upload all the upcoming courses and all. Free counseling to the students. In case if you want free counseling, I'll give my email ID in the description box. So mail me up. I'll give you the online ID so we can have face-to-face conversation. I hope this video will be useful for the students. In case if you want any information, I'll give my email ID in the description box. Thanks for watching Bangalore Samuel and Special. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you in next part. Bye.